Thank you.
So, after Americas, we will go back to India. So, I'm very pleased to welcome on stage Azmat, who is the CSC leader for India. Amit Gupta, who is the client executive for L&T, and so I will let you introduce our very special guest with us this afternoon.
Thank you. Thank you, Pascal. Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, we do have a very special guest today with us. I'm pleased to welcome Mr. Atul Paranjpe, CIO, L&T Energy Hydrocarbon. And Atul, along with Amit Gupta, our client executive for L&T, together will share with us the journey towards sustainable virtual twin powered by 3D Experience platform on cloud. Over to you, Amat.
Thank you, Azmat. Good afternoon, everyone, and good afternoon, Atul. It is such a pleasure to have you here and to share the great testimony of this partnership. To start, let me ask you to share your vision of sustainable virtual twin and the project Epsilon.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody.
Mike. Mike is back.
Yeah, you can hear me? Yeah. I'm from L&T, Larsen & Toubro. So to say, I'm your customer, but I don't like the word customer because I'm a partner. Partner in growth, partner in... And together, we have achieved great things in last couple of years. L&T is the largest engineering and construction company in India, which has interests in EPC projects, high-tech manufacturing, and services. It was established by two Danish gentlemen in 1938, and today we are having a market cap of around $31 billion. We are having 7 verticals in my business area, that is the L&T Energy Hydrocarbon, onshore, offshore, construction services, modular fabrication, asset management services, engineering services, and the newest addition to that is the offshore wind EPC projects. So this is towards a sustainable energy, green energy projects. All these are on the Dassault 3D Experience platform for integrated project management. So when we look at any business, there are 3 imperatives, or it's a triangle. There are 3 vertices of the triangle. One is the quality, health, safety, environment, sustainability. That is the one vertice. Second is the delivery. And the third is the cost. And many a times we feel that these 3 vertices are pulling away from each other. When we try to improve one, the other one suffers. But what we want is to achieve all these 3 together. And in order to achieve the and paradigm, sustainable and safe and first time right and on time and within budget, what we require is a virtual twin. So that's what we are trying to implement in our projects. So how have we done this? We have a program which we call it as Epsilon. It's an internal code name for the 3D Experience platform cloud instance, where we have all the integrations done. And it represents the 5th alphabet of Greek alphabet. And it has these 5 facets: collaboration, quality, schedule, the time, budget, and of course, information for decisions. And epsilon, as you know, is a symbol of permittivity in physics. So it is a flow of information in our system. And how have we managed this? We have managed this using the 6 Ws of the Dassault platform. So I will explain, I'll walk you through our implementation using these 6 Ws, starting with why. Why are we doing this? We are doing this for orchestration of success. And by that I mean, whenever I want to execute a project, it means juggling multiple balls in the air and not allowing any one of them to fall. Accurate and timely decisions, managing change, first time right, supply chain reliability, and synchronized construction. If all these five are achieved, then we achieve profitability and sustainability. So how are we doing it? On the Dassault Cloud platform, we are ingesting the schedule as the starting point, the Primavera schedule, which is a macro schedule. Then we integrate all our transaction systems, our ERP systems into the system, and the micro schedules are taken inside the system, and we get an integrated view of the project. Then we add 3D to that, because 3D in our type of industry comes slightly later in the project. So after adding 3D, we get a 360-degree 3D multi-D view of the project, and we can navigate through that quite easily. So what are we trying to do? We are trying to have this is the Dassault spiral, value spiral. So starting with schedule integration, going to progress dashboards, then visualizing advanced work packages on 3D, issue management, integrated issue management, and the virtual twin, ultimately leading to the virtual twin. So I will show all these 5 as quick short videos. First is the seamless integration. All the transaction systems and the schedule is integrated together to form a S-curve on the platform. And the S-curve is for each function, engineering, procurement, manufacturing, and overall, of course. And it highlights the critical activities where we need to pay attention. Next is the project progress. We should be able to know where are we, and on 3D, with the 3D context. We should be able to understand which items are critical and which require attention. We should be able to visualize the work front in 3D. And if a particular item is giving us trouble, I should be also able to trace the supplier, the purchase order details, and know where it is being manufactured so that we can follow up. This is the supplier performance dashboard, including the purchase order details. You can see them on the platform. See, this is the item which I am interested in, and I can see the purchase order details of it on the platform. Next is the advanced work packaging, where the whole project is divided into work areas, and then each work area is divided into construction work packs. And all these work packs are visualized on the 3D. You will see all the 8 work areas in different colors. Once I select a particular area, then I can see the work packs inside that area. And for those work packs, I can see the Gantt chart. And I can see the engineering deliverables as well as the quantities, the materials required for completing that work pack. And all this, I can see it on the 3D, on the cloud. Then coming to integrated issue management, context-based resolution. Many times, with all the right planning, the things don't go as per plan, and we have to face issues. And those issues have to be escalated to the right people so that quick decisions are taken. And adding context in 3D is a very useful thing, which can be done here. And looking at the item, we can see the problem, we can see the related details, and we can have a collaboration with audit trail. And ultimately, all this leads to a virtual twin, where on the whole platform, on the whole plant, which is a virtual twin inside the Dassault platform, you can see the connected data, including the operation and maintenance manuals, drawings, everything. And this can be ultimately handed over to the customer for his further operations, or a virtual twin as a operations, asset virtual twin. So where are we, and when have we achieved this? We have been doing this for the last couple of years, like I said. 2021, we have finished schedule integration and the integrated project management. This year, we have done multi-D dashboards and immersive VR reviews, including our customers have walked through our plant in a virtual reality. This year, that is in 2023, we will want to add early warning systems, predictive analytics, and merged and mixed reality. That's what we want to do. Now coming to where are we doing all this? We are doing this at the creation stage, that is the creation of a project. We are doing it for the customer during operation stage, and we are doing it also for reuse of data, reuse of material, reuse of information, because sustainability is very important and we should not reinvent the wheel. So ultimately, starting from integrated planning, reaching up to sustainable growth, that is our journey. And seamless integrations, asset virtual twin, and cloud-based access to all the stakeholders, that is the deliverable. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Atul, for sharing such a great insight about the Epsilon project. May I ask you to...
Thank you.
Yeah, so thanks again, Atul, for sharing such a great insights with us. So, as to conclude, may I ask you to share what are the takeaways of this implementation and our partnership?
So if you see the scale of the implementation, we have around 12 systems which are integrated on the platform. 12 systems means there are a couple of the some 5-6 systems which are in-house developed. They are not standard systems available in the market. Plus, we have also integrated SAP, the ERP systems. We have integrated the authoring tools for 3D, and we have also integrated the schedule, that is the Primavera. So all 12 systems are integrated. We have 24/7 real-time updates, and the progress on the project is visible on the platform 24/7. We have 360-degree visualization in 3D, multi-D you can say, not only 3D. There are 10 projects which are onboarded right now, and total value which is being processed through the platform is around $10 billion. And there are 500 users, connected users on the cloud, including some of the customers are connected to the platform. And there are 50 million 3D objects on the system right now.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I know that we are a bit late, but I will take a few words because it's very important. So thank you again, Atul, for being here. I'm very honored. And just to tell you the story, Atul visited us in Vélizy last June. And so when I saw what was done with the 3D experience platform and where they are with the project, to me it was obvious that we needed to have him and the team in Monaco this year in order that you can see what have been done. And before to conclude, there are two guys I would like also to thank because they have been really instrumental for the success. This is Abhishek from Remy's team. And also Philippe Georgelin regarding data migration and his team. Because as you have seen, the volume of data is something unique, I think, in the example we have in the Dassault system. And once again, that's why I wanted to share with you today. Thank you very much, Atul.
Thank you.
Thank you.